on aventure of the excursion. In university excursion, a group of students wanted to undertake an adventure in search of collection information necessary for a hope that the teacher in charge elected. During the adventure, the students divided into groups of 3 members to finish fast. Everything was going well until a group disappeared and the others began to wonder where they are. We happened to you they are from, and it was so fast that they became concerned that something had happened to them. They called the police and testified the last time they had seen. After a long time, the students began to think of a way to err in the share for their 3 classmates, and they changed their course from looking for information for adventurers to find their friends. The teacher in charge is in collaboration with the police looking at security. Faces shown photos of the 3 students among other things. Willie other group would bear different way asking certain days night looking around to hear their surprise. The parents of the students are not too need about so event that occurred. Mulit the university, the professor trusts that a can solve the big problem, can knowing that is going to head into a complication for not notifying the university. University and parent fears on all passes on notice that the group appears the sensor increases because in the security cameras it is not possible to see if the 3 students left or are still inside. On the other hand, another group is having the idea of looking outside without notifying the nobody and the bring consequences to the teacher for being in the charge of the student group. Luckily, the doormat is related that another group wants to live with whose permission and was able to immediately call the manager to return the incident. The groups lie on towards the service. How can they discover one attraction? It's a question that theory and everything else. Following with the share a la school, a person won the disparate group interviewed and said that they were near flower garden. They went into investigation about a type of flower and the people deemed of flower, and their aroma it was hoping for everyone because they already knew that they were long before they disappeared. The police focused more on the flower yard and the student on order attraction and thus along the world. The teacher continued on security cameras to see exactly when they are in the yard. The hours pass and the time is coming to return to the university, and the group of the 3 nothing after the treated desperate teacher did not know what to do. Only to avoid the situation is going to see for not taking to carrying and not worrying about what happened minutely. It was time to return as well as the teacher. The police orders students. They only had to pass notices of the disappeared and notify the press. Social networks, among others, we all have imagined that an adult on the excursion would enlighten this. The other students went to the bus stop. The manager and the police are big talking about possible events that would have happened to the 3 students. Everyone at Guadalupe cancelled a bus amid other this win in the distance. 3 students origin waiting at the summit. Bus stopped and what a surprise! There were the group of 3 that did not appear. The other went out to run to find out what had happened and more being coming the teacher and the police. The group of 3 explained that they had been in the flower garden and they quickly finished their adventure of collection information. That is why they have been at the bus stop for leaving without permission and for all the work that made them all happy. The bus arrived at the group gone with the manager. At the word they arrived at the university is a nothing of happiness, a shared adventure that remains a lesson for